good morning everyone. This is Ming. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna go to learn how to make a cotton quilt in China. It's a mix of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology, combining handwork and machines to make something cozy and special. Let's go!
It's not far away from here, so I'm gonna take my scooter there. Go!
Today I asked the boss to make a 4 kilo quilt for winter. It just costs 60 RMB per kilo, so 240 RMB in total, about 33 US dollars. Way cheaper than a down quilt, even less than some polyester ones. And it can last for decades, just send it once a year. Here we go. We are at this cotton quilt shop now. It's called 恒记棉胎店，恒记 Cotton Quilt Shop. Alright. 早晨，你好。First, the boss carefully weighs out the cotton. I ordered a 4 kilogram quilt, so the boss needs to weigh out exactly 4 kilograms of cotton. He knows just how much is needed, like preparing the perfect amount of ingredients for a home-cooked meal. Of course, even a master have an off moment. The first time he didn't quite get it right, so he had to add a little extra. Next, the boss spreads the cotton on the table and uses a bamboo stick to gently tap and loosen it by hand. These steps prepares the cotton for the next stage, where the machine will further fluff it up. Now that the cotton is prepared, the boss places some cotton at the machine's input, making sure there's enough ready before turning it on.
Already got some cotton sticking on my coat right now. Boss is so nice. He's looking for a mask for me.
Then he turns on the machine. While the machine does the bulk of the work, he still manually fits the cotton into it, a little at a time, ensuring it's evenly spread. The machine fluffs the cotton even more and filters out any seeds or impurities. What comes out is a light, cloud-like layer, perfect for making a warm quilt. The soft, clean cotton is then rolled up with a stick, making it easier for the next step.
So soft and fluffy.
Now that the cotton is fluffed and rolled, it's time to start building the quilt layer by layer. He gently unrolls the cotton across the work table, spreading it out one sheet at a time. Each layer is placed in alternating directions, one horizontal, one vertical, to increase friction and prevent the cotton from shifting later on. As he works, he carefully checks for any uneven spots and smooths them out by hand. Once all the layers are laid down neatly, the basic shape of the cotton quilt is complete. It's really starting to look like a quilt now.
老細，請問你呢度做咗幾多年啦
11、12年啦，啲大隻啊！
喺呢度呢間鋪做咗11、12年啦。
係大隻11、12年啊！
哦，咁之前係喺邊度做㗎？
喺
清遠度做嘅。
係。
哦，咁老細想請問下，你係喺邊度學識呢門手藝㗎？
喺鄉下。
即係喺清遠學識嘅。係跟師傅學定係自己慢慢摸索㗎？
跟師傅學嘅。
哦，跟師傅學嘅。呢啲就係好傳統嘅廣東嘅做法。咁同外省嘅會有啲咩唔同呢？
外省嘅嗰啲手工大概都一樣，佢縫角啊嗰啲冇縫嘅佢哋。
哦，就係呢個唔同。It's just like marshmallow. It's super soft. I really love it.
And see that last row of cotton in the back? It's not forgotten, just saved for later. After flipping the quilt, he'll add it to the other side to keep both sides evenly filled. Simple and thoughtful. Now it's time to dress the quilt. A mesh layer is gently laid on top of the cotton to help hold everything in place. After about 90 seconds, the machine lifts back up. That's it for this side. The quilt will be flipped later so the other side gets the same treatment. Now it's time for the other side. Once the quilt is flipped, we start by adding the remaining cotton to complete the filling. Next, the excess cotton is folded in on all four sides to match the customer's desired size. This is when I finally realized why the middle was made a bit thicker earlier. Folding the edges adds extra thickness to the sides, making sure the quilt's thickness is even all around.
4邊都要接起佢。
係
咁係咪上面仲叉咗一層紗網啊？
係拉條紗網。
哦。就想問下咧，你一年大概做幾多張呢啲棉胎啊
200-300張嘅啫，最多都係。
一年做200-300張。
嗯。
咁翻
做個
身。
冬天就係。
哦。冬天嘅需求就旺啲嘅。
冬天先做，夏天就唔做。
咁夏天呢度大部分都係
雕空嘅。
雕空嘅。所以咁夏天雕空咪好可惜。咁呢度有冇賣啲涼席啊？
冇嘅。
冇啊？
冇。
咁夏天基本上冇咩人做棉胎嘅。
冇人做棉胎。
咁呢間鋪頭係都係開住啊，定係
關嘅？
關嘅。
嗯。
哦，咁你哋夏天會點？會去
打工。
打工。
打工去做。
哦，所以呢間鋪頭係冬天開嘅啫。
嗯。冬天做冬天生意。
哦。咁鋪租係咪要照俾㗎？
係啊。哇！好難做㗎咁啊！
咁一年大概係關幾多個月，開幾多個月咁啊？
開3到4個月，最攞4個月。
開到大概2月份。
1月份就開始唔做㗎啦，嗰年就唔做㗎。一般嘅個冬天做完一個冬天就上岸。
When it's finished, the whole quilt feels perfectly balanced.
老細，咁呢度成堆棉花就差唔多係賣到過年，因為而家離過年仲有10零日、20日。
嗯。
咁賣晒呢堆就差唔多啦，係咪啊？
係啊。
哦，呢度大概幾多斤啊
？200斤到啊！呢度。
哦，呢度有200斤嘅。
嗯。
哇！佢壓實咗，睇起身
壓實咗
就冇咁多，原來佢係咁重嘅。
嗯。
Now it's time to sew the corners. The fabric mesh is stitched at each corner to secure the cotton and keep it evenly distributed. This step ensures a neat, finished look. The boss mentioned that whether to sew the corners depends on the region. Here in Guangdong province, it's common, and I agree. It helps keep everything secure.
老細，咁呢啲棉被可以用到幾多年度啊？
幾十年。
幾十年？
嗯，絕對有幾十年嘅，冇你呃我嘅啫。
咁平時應該點樣去維護？點樣去保養啊？
蓋嘅時之前啊，用之前啊。
用之前，蓋之前。
冚之前曬晒佢，佢又翻鬆㗎啦。
即係擺喺太陽底下曬幾日到咁樣。
曬佢翻鬆嘅。
哦，使唔使攞啲木棍打佢㗎？
打佢仲好啲，揾啲竹挺啊。
竹挺即係呢啲。
竹棍。慢慢剝佢翻鬆，更加翻鬆。
哦。
Finally, the boss wife returns, and together they complete the last step. First, they add the mesh fabric to this side. The fabric on the right side is larger, designed to cover one side and all 4 corners of the quilt. Now they use the mesh from the left side, which is slightly smaller, but just the right size to cover the other side. Before the machine comes down, the boss takes a moment to carefully check every thread, making sure everything is nice and clean. He pays close attention to every detail, ensuring the quilt is perfectly finished. Once everything looks good, the machine comes down to press and smooth everything out, bonding the fabric and cotton together.
I was always wondering what is for of this cotton balls. And explained by this lady boss, she said that this cotton balls is for absorbing the dust.
It's ready! Wow, it looks so soft and cozy already. I can almost feel the warmth. But the boss says the other side needs one more round with the machine to ensure everything sticks perfectly together.
The lady boss is also taking a video of me.
And it's finished! Look at my quilt! So white and so soft, just like the traditional ones. You can really feel the craftsmanship in every stitch.
係咪得㗎，老細？
得㗎。
哇，好靚喎！
係啊。
OK，240。
嗯。
好，俾咗你啊，老細。
得。
唔該晒。好，老細，唔該晒你哋。拜拜。多謝晒你哋，祝你哋生意興隆。
好嘅。
拜拜。係。
Alright, that's how a cotton quilt is made in China. I really love these traditional craftsmanship. They somehow give me a sense of comfort and inner peace. If you ever use this kind of traditional cotton quilt, or you have any question about it, please leave a comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.